Today we're gonna go to another vending machine. I had a viewer tell me to buy the most expensive pack, so I accepted the challenge. And what I found? 151 pack. God damn, it's expensive. So I bought 6. And I'm gonna lie to myself and say this $111 investment is gonna be worth it. So let's crack open up these packs and see what we get. All right, pack number 1. Okay, Blastoise, pack number 2. Pack number 3. Pack number 4. Pack number 5. All right, last pack magic. Ooh, this one's for graded.